Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue, an application error, LogonUI.exe. The exception breakpoint has been reached. 0x80000003 occurred in the application at location. Click on OK to terminate the program. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to select OK and then attempt to relaunch the application, in which case it might be the Windows operating system, so just restart the computer, and then see if that resolves the problem. If you're still having an issue, something else we can try here as well. If you'd open up the search menu, type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in chk dsk space /r, again chk dsk, and then a space, and then /r. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back with check this cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Tap the Y key on your keyboard and then hit enter. So this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. You can go ahead and close out of here and any open programs and applications and go ahead and actually restart your computer at this time. And you do not want to press any keys. You just don't want to touch your keyboard at all. However, the scan can take some time to run, so I'm actually going to tap the key to bypass the scan. But in your case, you do want to let it complete thoroughly. Like I said, it can take some time. It can take a couple hours in some cases. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.